Hello everybody, welcome. It's just a basic tutorial and I will be explaining today about sprites. So sprites are simply graphical drawing that their graphic must be a BMP picture. So to start by loading this BMP picture, I think I told you this, load a BMP, you give BMP name, then a comma, then path and file name. Alright, and we'll use later on to add a sprite using the name of the BMP right over here. So I think I am going for, I don't know, paint. So I'm gonna search for, oh, here it is. I'm gonna make it simply resize pixels 32 and by 32. So I'm gonna simply make it a green square, I don't know. Oops. Alright, now I'm gonna hit a file, save as on my desktop, and I'm gonna call it my BMP. Alright, so now when I go to computer, see users, admin, desktop, and I'll simply just copy this. Control C. Then I'm gonna go ahead to right over. Oops. Here's just basic. You can start by loading the BMP. Its name can be anything. As an example, player, doesn't matter. And then a comma, then a string containing the path forward. So I'm gonna plus this. Control V. And then desktop. And then I'm not gonna forget to add its name, which is simply my BMP. My BMP, and don't forget to place the .ext, which is .bmp at the end, or .dip. Alright guys, so we've loaded the BMP. To add, let's start by making a window, just like GUIs or normal graphics window. It's gonna be a normal graphics window, just like turtle graphics. So window width, I told you about that. Doesn't matter, I'll automatically do it normally. So I'm gonna simply start a hit by saying open title, oops, for graphics, and yeah, something if I haven't told you about that, when we place underscore NSB and underscore NF or underscore NF underscore NSB like this, it's gonna make it without fill and without a scroll bar, so the user cannot click on this button right over here to restore it down, make it more, and does not have scroll bars to scroll. Okay. Oh, as number 1. Alright, now we'll print number 1. The command for adding a sprite is simply add sprite. Now the sprite name is different from the BMP name. It can hold any name that will later on do all the stuff for us. An example, player sprites. This can be anything. It can be also the same as the BMP. It doesn't matter. Now after this, we want to assign BMP for, so we'll tap a player. Okay, so that's pretty much everything. We added a sprite. How we can pretty much say where it's gonna be our sprite. Well, there's this command called print number 1 and sprite xy for sprite xy. You tap this, then the name for the sprite that you want to assign, it's x and y. Player sprite. Simply, if you want to add type of numbers like this, and if you want to add variables, then you should do like here x and y, preserving space here and a space also here. Okay, but for us we're going to be using normal numbers, so let's say 200 by 200. Okay guys, now we're gonna of course print number 1 track close, and the branch label quits, and wait, and the quits will close in one and stop. Alright, now there's something. This is simply not gonna grow our sprite. We're not gonna be able to see it. What the C users admin my bmp.bmp not found. This is weird. I mean, it's right over here. My bmp. Oh, this is a PNG picture. Oops, I'm gonna pause the video and just change this into bmp. So, stay. Alright guys, so here's it right over here. I'm gonna go ahead to just basic and start writing. I told you that this is not gonna allow us to see the player. Where is he anyways? I don't know where the hell is he. Where did he go? Hey player, you there? Now what the issue is that we haven't drawn the sprites. You should issue this command, draw sprites, in order to make your sprites drawed again, and you can see everything. So after adding any sprite or adding backgrounds, you should issue this command again in order to see what's really going on. So I'm gonna hit a run button, and as you can see, here's our BMP, and it looks half eaten. And you know why is the reason? Because when you go to the just basic folder, I'm gonna show you what I mean. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? The sprites, you'll notice that simply all the sprites right over here have simply the two parts, which simply are the same width, the same shape exactly. The one down is black background, the one up is white background. Here it's going to be the drawing for your sprite, and here's going to be the mask up there. The mask is simply how is your sprite really going to appear. So when we later on make it collision, where is what it's gonna touch, where, how it is shaped. Sometimes we may it's better to make it exactly the same as it. So yeah, you can do that, but I don't think I want to do it. There are also programs you can go from just basic forms, like I called sprites maker. Oh, here is it. And there are many of them, which simply you enter a BMP here, this code after you run it, and I'll save a BMP again as a sprite, so it's gonna make stuff way more easier. So I'm gonna go ahead to just basic, and final stuff I want to talk about is adding a background. And background picture is maybe added with load BMP also. So yeah, you add a background, and notice that backgrounds do not need masks for them, because their background there are no any things, there are no collision stuff for them. They are just backgrounds in order for us to make game look cooler. So in the command print number 1, you simply type a background string, then the name for the BMP for the background. Alright, here's an example, player. So in this case, everything should be green. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. That was pretty much everything for this tutorial. Subscribe, like. I'm gonna be doing more videos, like more about timers and stuff. And bye.